Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to device calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to access calendar. After that, tap on the month above and pick a date. Then you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour and ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also select people from your contact book, add location. Over here you need to click only this time or while using the app, type your location and click on the chosen one. Then you can set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, tap on done and even take notes. When you're done, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it by clicking it, choosing those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and clicking on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!